How'd you find him though?
Hey?
How'd you find him though?
They're on the shore here, on the road.
Oh.
In the bushes, they're crying. They lost their mum, I think. You don't want to touch it? Here. They're relaxed in there.
Oh my god, they are so cute.
Let them run around.
Oh god, I just wanted to bite on my feet. I think one of them wants
If
my
you lock
toe.
them up, they're going to get wild. Yeah, they're taking a shit.
Oh no!
Don't yell. You guys don't yell. You're going to scare them.
Oh my god, it pissed me.
He took a shit. Oh no! Took them take a shit. I'm afraid that one of the cats could attack the birds. There's 2 cats and now 2 birds.
Fuck. Keep taking a shit. Throw them out. Mommy's going to get mad. Let them run around out there.
I'm afraid that the dog could kill them.
Shabash. So shoot him, okay?
I don't know what happened to the other one, but I'm afraid that one of the cats could attack the little birdie.
He's biting it.
What the fuck? Right there.
Hold this one.
Okay. Am I had to hold 2 phones now? Oh no. One I usually use the phone now. I'm holding my phone. Oh man.
Jesus Christ, you.
Well, it is nice to see 2 little birds. Don't shade ever. Man.
No, it's not poisonous. Just eat it.
Selena?
Huh?
Where's the other one?
Over here.
Am I had to stop recording?
I killed the other one. I stepped on it.
What the hell's wrong with you? What the hell? Oh.
Don't let him out. Stay in there.
I'm afraid that one of them will go,
Shabash.
hit something.
Let's go.
Shabash, come here.
I found it.
Hold this.
Okay.
Where did it go?
In
Took
there.
off?
No, he's just in there.
Oh. How's that the one over there? Wait,
Take it back over there.
Is you need it?
No.
No? I think they eat fish. You're gonna die if you eat that.
Hey there, bird.
Is it hot?
No, the body's down. No. afraid that the bicycle could kill him.
I'm just resting now.
I bet you showed it to Mom.
Is there gas in the boat?
Why? But it really stinks. You're gonna have to wear a mask. Just jump down the lake. Don't swim back. There's lots all over the lake.
No, Tobias, no. Still calm. I see the bird calm and lay down. I don't know if it's alive or not. Can you please grab the bird?
Mm.
Oh, it's giving me eyes. It's like,
It's stuck over there. Just grab it. Not gonna bite you.
hell.
No, Tobias, no, don't. I'm afraid that bird in there could bite one of my feet. Tobias, no. I'm afraid that one of them will gonna bite my toes. And that one will gonna bite my toes.
Dad, take a picture of me.
Oh shit!
Did it really? Ew, Dad,
How
take a
did that
picture.
doesn't work, my
Oh, the hell.
picture?
Here.
Take a picture of
I'm recording.
Oh.
Here.
No, Tobias.
You press the white button.
Look the shit on it. Watch that shit there.
Good thing I'm not stepping on that shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna step that again.
Okay. Got it? I want to put this under the tire. Or I should take it to the garbage dump. The baby mama's like three of them. That's what I got those from, three. I killed one by accident. I pulled his head off.
We don't know what the two birds' mothers or parents are.
They're dead. I shot them.
Oh shit.
Hey, step down, it's blue. Just kidding. I was joking.
Grab it.
I hope the two little ones don't know what swearing is.
Take picture.
I'm recording.
Open bag.
Leave me. Watch. Shit all over. I want to
What? Okay, the video you used to see here is finally got two birds, and I recorded this about 13 minutes. Oh my god, it's been 13 minutes. No, it's now 14 minutes. And now I hope you enjoy this video because I don't know what next is up for us to find. I hope you enjoyed this video because, well, there's might be more to find, but that okay. No, you want to put the birds away, the two little seagulls, and I hope one of them don't know what swaying is because I'm gonna be pissed. Because if one of them swears, oh, I'm gonna kill them. Just kidding. But we don't know what their mothers or father is. Or they have mothers. We don't know what their parents is of the two birds we saw found. Dad and Slaves found. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay. Bye bye.